Welcome to my channel. Well, it is the first time for me to upload a video since it was created a long ago. I've been long thinking about what I will make as the focus and as the content of this channel. So finally, I make up my mind after some considerations and a small research I did towards some channels which have different focus and purposes, of course. But one thing all of them have something similar in common is to entertain you as the viewers. Although I apparently do have the same focus or purposes with the other YouTubers all around the world, but I also have something else, which is to educate you as my viewers in English, especially for those who are still struggling in learning English but still can't speak in English spontaneously. Well, with the English experience and knowledge I have, I really hope that I can help all of you, kids, teenagers, and even adult learners to learn and practice English even with very simple topic. Actually, learning English is not that difficult as many people say it about English. You may have been learning English at school for such 3 years, 6 years, 9 years, and even up to now. But here, I tell you one secret. You have to practice your English day by day with a partner who is also better than you. Without practicing your English continuously, trust me, it won't work because practice makes you perfect. Basically, when someone learns English, it is started by listening. No matter she or he understands what their speaking partner says, but soon after they will comprehend each other since there is repetition and body language. So I could say that to learn English, we have to be good at listening, repeat, and practice. I repeat one more time. Listening, repeat, and practice with our speaking partner, of course. That's all for this short introduction, and please wait for me in the next video. Well, viewers, thank you for watching my video. Please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell as well right under this video. Practice makes perfect.